Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching your sequence to the clip so scaling stays exact. Once done, import and place the main footage on V1. This avoids relink issues. Create a new video track above and add a black matte there. You'll use it as the effect source. Make sure the black matte covers the duration you'll affect, otherwise transitions will drop out. This first step sets up control so you can non-destructively apply the black screen without altering the original clip. Next, create your black matte using color matte or a black solid on V2. That gives a predictable, full black source. Then select the clip on V1 and add the track matte key effect. Set the matte to the V2 track so the clip uses that alpha. Once applied, switch composite settings, use opacity or blending modes, and mask feather to shape the reveal. You do this because the matte drives visibility, and tweaking softness controls how natural the black screen appears. To finish, render the segment and inspect levels so black is true and not crushed. Adjust exposure or blacks if needed. If you'll reuse the effect, nest the sequence to preserve timing and simplify copies. Make sure any transitions or keyframes live on the matte or inside the nest to avoid drifting. If something goes wrong, check that the matte track is above the clip and the track matte key references the correct track. Wrong order is the most common cause of a blank or missing matte.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.